Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel and welcome love if you're new. I am NekiCakes, here with an easy and effective DIY hair mask recipe. Just 3 ingredients to help condition, strengthen, and grow your hair. For my recipe, I used 1 box of 100% cream coconut, about 4 to 5 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, and 1 ripe banana. Add all the ingredients to blend, then strain your mix before applying to your hair. If you don't care for coconut, you can use 1 avocado or even 1 cup of mayo. Currently, I have heat-damaged, fine, weak hair. The coconut mask will help bring my curls back to life. The 3 ingredients together will nourish my curls, rebuilding the lack of keratin, making my strands less easy to break, reducing hair loss, and minimizing damage. Replenishing the lack of moisture will help with my frizzy hair and add shine to the dull strands. The main benefit, it will help to assist with healing and smoothing my cuticles, resulting in new growth and a well-balanced scalp. Apply the mask as your pre-poo or even your deep conditioner. If you have heat damage or fine hair like me, your curls will eat the mask right up. I never have leftovers. This batch is always made fresh on wash days.